Oh my goodness, this is insane. Palantir reported earnings and the numbers are absolutely mind-boggling. This stock has printed me so much money in my community. I need to tell you what I think about the stock right now. Because with this news, I think we're in a very interesting point of Palantir's overall trajectory, of where the stock has been, where it's going in the future, and how you can make a lot more money. Because guys, I'm looking at my research right here, and the numbers are absolutely, like, I can't even fathom how profitable and how crazy Palantir actually is. We're literally printing money. Year over year, 30% growth. Palantir has been growing its top line like an absolute monster. Guys, I'm pumped up. I'm so pumped up because we're making money hand over fist, bicep over tricep. Guys, I'm so pumped up because what I see going on with Palantir is almost unheard of trajectory, okay? This is like going to the moon, all right? Just like Nvidia has had a huge rise, Palantir is doing the same exact thing, and I have been early on this trend. I've been covering Palantir since IPO. And now just take a look at where Palantir is. This stock has been going up by $5, $10, and every time that's tens of billions of dollars of market cap being added. Every single strategy that I've had on Palantir has been working out. And it's not even because I'm a genius at options. It's just because I've picked the right vehicle and I put you guys in this vehicle. So we've been making money hand over fist, and I want to give you an update of what I think is going to happen to Palantir. Because when I looked at the results last night, and I'm recording this in the morning, I was asking myself, oh my goodness, I was bullish, but this stock even surprised and blew my expectations out of the water. And I've been doing research on Palantir for years, since IPO. This stock has been the #1 stock that I've been holding, okay? So listen, let's talk about the 30% revenue growth, as well as what I think is even more impressive is US commercial growth, 44%. This company, Palantir, where the CEO went to my high school. I love the CEO. I have so much trust in the CEO. I have as much trust in the CEO, almost as much trust as I have in myself. That's crazy. The CEO has been guiding the company through AI. He's been innovating like crazy. The talent at the company is insane. And now with this earnings beat, I think that the stock is going to go parabolic. I've been saying this stock is very undervalued. And now we're finally seeing this stock come into fruition. I mean, it's had a fantastic 2024, but with this earnings, I see this actually pushing the stock over the edge, okay? Going into 2025, we're gonna be in some really hot times, okay? When a stock is hot, you can print money. You can legally print money, okay? Now, looking at the commercial growth of 44%, guys, Palantir used to just be, friends with the government. They used to just have contracts with the government for the most part, and they were having a challenge growing. And there was many doubters. People were doubting that, hey, Palantir, they're a one-trick pony. Well, guess what? This is definitely not a one-trick pony. And I'm really pumped up and excited because the money that I'm making, the money that my students have made in Discord has actually been life-changing. Maybe not for me, I'm already rich, but it's been life-changing in terms of my net worth. It's also been life-changing for the students that I have in Discord, right? And like looking at more of the results right here, they gave really positive guidance. Guys, that is a huge deal, all right? Let me tell you something right now. A company can have good earnings and the stock can still go down. The reason why Palantir had phenomenal, out of this world, out of my mind earnings, but it still continues to pop higher. It's growing like my biceps are growing. It's growing like no other, right? It's growing, I can't even make an analogy how much it's growing, all right? I'm like shocked as I'm making this video. It's shocking. The craziest thing is the guidance was even more positive. Coming from their team, from the leadership, they're positive going into the future, which means this train is just taking off, or this plane, or this jet, or this Bugatti, I don't know. But this vehicle is just getting started, okay? I've been a little bit too early on the trend. I've been 3 years on this stock, right? Whenever the IPO happened, I've been making videos for 5 years now, okay? Let me tell you, the guidance was so good that I think the stock is gonna keep going up. I think, okay, look, when I was studying finance, all right, one of the tendencies or trends that happens in the market is after earnings, you get a huge pop in the stock, right? And then it goes a little bit higher, okay? It's called drift, all right? Like you're drifting a car, it's drift. It goes, all right? It goes a little bit higher. I think that's what's gonna happen to Palantir, okay? Because, listen, 30% revenue growth, 44% US commercial growth, guidance was really good. And I wanna say that, listen, the past is the past. I get it. The stock was doing phenomenally in the past, few months. Now earnings came in. Do we have more room to run? Honestly, I think yes. I think yes. I think now we have the reasoning. Now I have the confidence to say that yes, I think that we can run some more. Okay, I've had some shares that have been uncovered. Okay, what do I mean by that? I've been buying call options. I've been doing poor man's cover calls on Palantir. I'm just straight up holding stock right now, guys. I'm just straight up holding stock because I didn't know how much Palantir is going to go up. I was bullish and they surprised me and I'm making like tons of money on it. So look, I think that now with the proof here, okay, the proof's in the pudding. They had the best quarter ever. I mean, the best growth quarter that I've seen. And I've been covering this stock for every single week in my Discord session. I've been saying, guys, this is a fantastic stock to have in your portfolio. Sell puts to get in. Sell covered calls to generate income. But looking at this earnings, I've never seen a quarter that is this strong, okay? It's almost unheard of. Now, a few more things I wanted to say here is, look, Palantir, they reported third quarter adjusted earnings of 10 cents. All right, 10 cents. 10 cents a share on revenue of $725 million. Okay, now listen. Analysts surveyed by FactSet. FactSet, by the way, is a data provider. It's kind of like Bloomberg. When I used to work on Wall Street, I've actually used FactSet. Super archaic software, but they give you the data, right? Data to make data-driven decisions, right? So when I was on Wall Street, I was looking at not AI. AI wasn't around when I was working on Wall Street. This is a while ago now, but we were making data-driven decisions because that's part of my area of expertise. It's finance, economics, and data analytics, my degrees. Now look, analysts surveyed by FactSet were expecting earnings of 9 cents a share on revenue of $705 million, okay? That means that Palantir beat earnings by over $20 million, all right, in one quarter. That is a pretty big beat, $20 million that it beat, okay, topping estimates. All right. Now, in the same period last year, the company reported earnings of 7 cents a share on revenue of $558 million. Guys, just to put in perspective, this company has grown by hundreds of millions of dollars in a year. It's topping top line. It's topping bottom line. It's not like, okay, we've topped top line estimates and we spent a bunch of money to get there. No, we've topped top line and we've surpassed your expectations, you Wall Street guys, all the Wall Street analysts. We've surpassed all the Wall Street analysts' expectations and we have made more money bottom line, okay? You can't even argue this. Your top and bottom line, bigger, better, stronger, growier, right? That's not a word, but you're growing, okay? Now, look, my only regret, guys, and I've been covering Palantir on a frequent basis. I've been hitting this stock on YouTube because I want you guys to get rich as often as I've been hitting the gym lately, all right? Because health is number one for me, right? God is number one for me. Those two things are number one for me, more so than making money. But I want to help because that's part of my mission. That's what I want to do. That's what I believe, my faith. I just believe that's the best thing to do with my time, right? And the only regret I actually have is that I didn't buy more. I didn't recommend it more because I didn't want to be spammy on YouTube. I didn't want to spam this stock. But look, I'm kind of upset with myself. I should have been even spammier on YouTube, telling you guys, buy more, okay? Look, the stock, it's maxed out on all its metrics right now. It's maxed out, all right? If, I played tennis for 15 years. I love tennis. I watch some American football as well. It's maxed out. It's like Roger Federer. It has good forehand, all right? Good top line. It has good backhand. That's good bottom line. It has good serve, okay? That's basically the leadership on all fronts. This stock is a 10 out of 10, which is very rare. I never see that in the market. You usually see a 10 out of 10 stock that is priced for perfection, right? It's expensive. I would not say right now that Palantir's PE ratio, price to sales ratio, I would not say it's exuberantly irrational, right? There's that famous book there, that famous quote. I would not say that it's exuberantly overpriced, nothing like that. I would say right now, we're still in line. We're still on the trajectory for making more money because as this stock rises, I don't think we're going to get a whole lot of resistance from the market because look, hedge funds, billionaires, everyone on Wall Street, now they've been blown out the water, guys. We blew them out the water. So, look, I think it's a cheat code, and that's part of the reason why, honestly, I'm a great option trader. I think I'm one of the... okay, there's better option traders in this world than me. Not on YouTube. On YouTube, I'm number one. But look, it's not even an option question. This is straight up, the stock itself is so good, any option strategy will work on Palantir right now. You can sell a put by just throwing a dart at it, okay? You can sell any put, 50 delta, 40 delta, 30 delta, 20 delta. You will make money right now. You can buy a call option for any expiration, any strike, and because it's a bullish strategy, you're going to make money. That is seriously a really, really rare time to be in the stock market, right? Given elections, I'm not taking any sides on the election. I'm not a Democrat, I'm not Republican. To be honest, I don't even care. I'm doing what I can do to level up myself in life. How can I level up with God in life? How can I level up on this YouTube channel? How can I level up at the gym as a human? I don't really care I could care less about the politics. I could care less. I don't even live in the United States because it's a lot of nonsense, okay? I'm just trying to make money, and I'm trying to make you guys also some money. I'm trying to make you stupid rich. And when it comes to Palantir, literally, quality, value, growth, beating top line, beating the bottom line, you can use right now the leap strategy. Or you can just stick to my momentum wheel strategy, okay? I'm about to show you a video on my momentum wheel strategy real quick before I pass this video and stop this video. There's one more important thing. I think the stock rising is absolutely insane. The numbers are insane. And if I had to make a prediction, which I don't usually like to do, I just like to make safe, passive, consistent income selling options. But if I had to make a guess of what I think Palantir is going to do, I think we're going to have a runner, folks. $1 trillion valuation is possible. It's not just, it's not that if that's going to happen. It's basically, when is that going to happen? When is $1 trillion valuation going to come in? Because with this innovation, with this revenue growth, it's just time, guys. It's just a matter of time, right? I don't have my watch on me right now. It's just a matter of time, all right? So listen, if you want to play Palantir in a smart way, I would say the smartest way, other than holding stock, is probably to run my momentum wheel strategy that I've come up with on a unique way of doing the wheel strategy. You should check out this video right here on the momentum wheel strategy, my story as well, and run the strategy on Palantir. All right, congratulations for making a lot of money, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.